Hello! Today we're going to open this, a Bose Soundlink Micro. It's a side view, the back. It's supposed to give you crisp, balanced sound. Alright, let's get started. So, cut this open with some scissors. I'd do a better job. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Alright. There goes the wrapper. And then I think I gotta pull this out. Oh, there it goes. And here's the side view. Made in Mexico. Okay. That's the top. Here it is. Okay, this is the volume button, up and down. Here's the back. Oh, and then the charging port. On off switch, Bluetooth connectivity. Okay. Snap it back on. And then, any more? Okay, here's the back. Okay, I see. Here's the USB charger. And then there's some, I think, that instruction manual. Just flip through it. How to use. There's also a website for support. Connected power, press the button on so the app can see your speaker. So you have to get the Bose app here from the App Store, the Google Play Store. Okay. Okay, different languages. Instructions on how to connect the speaker to the app. Okay, very cool. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Okay. Put it back. Oh wait. I think this goes first. Yep. This one to lay flat. Okay. And then this. And then this. Okay, no, this part. And this. And this. And this. Very cool. Alright, thank you for watching again. Have a good day.